Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 1, All About Me, we will learn about connector for addition. So, open up page number 15 and let's get started. Before going to bed, Adam likes to look out of the window. His street looks lovely at night time. Let's look at the things that he can see from his window. The first thing that he can see is the moon and the stars. The next thing that he can see from his window is the park and the house. Next, he can see the window and the door. He can also see the cat and the mouse. So, did you see the highlighted word in the pictures above? Some words help us join words and phrases together. And is a connector for addition. We can connect many words using and. For example, in the pictures, it was the moon and the stars. The moon is one thing and the stars is another, and they both are connected with the word and. Now, let's do an activity. Look for things around your house. Make a list of them using and to join words. For example, I saw the table and the chairs. Just like this, try to make 5 more words joining with and write them on a loose sheet.